Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how a massive banyan tree and a tiny ant are both alive, yet built on the same fundamental principle? The secret lies in the smallest building blocks of life, cells. When microscopes were invented, scientists began peering into plants, animals, even insects, and what they saw was astonishing. Every living thing was made up of countless tiny compartments. But this raised a big question: could there be a unifying principle of life, just like chemistry has the atomic theory? Biology needed its own guiding framework, and in the 19th century, scientists built exactly that. We now call it cell theory. In 1838, German botanist Matthias Schleiden studied numerous plants under the microscope. As he observed their tissues, he noticed that every part of a plant, from roots to leaves, was made of countless small, box-like units. Schleiden concluded that plants were not continuous masses of matter, but rather collections of living compartments. This discovery was the very first major step toward establishing the cellular nature of life. Now let's move to the next milestone in the history of cell biology. In the year 1839, a German zoologist named Theodor Schwanner extended Schleiden's idea beyond plants to the animal kingdom. When Schwanner carefully examined animal tissues under the microscope, he noticed something remarkable: the same cellular organization that Schleiden had observed in plants. From this, Schwanner concluded that all living beings, whether plants or animals, are made up of cells. But he went even further. Schwanner emphasized that cells are not only the structural building blocks of life, but also the functional units that carry out essential life processes. But the story doesn't end there. In year 1858, German physician Rudolf Virchow brought the missing piece of the puzzle. He introduced the famous Latin phrase omnis cellula e cellula, which means all cells arise from pre-existing cells. This explained how life continues. New cells form only by the division of existing ones through processes like mitosis and meiosis. Virchow's principle finally disproved the old belief in spontaneous generation, the idea that life could suddenly appear from non-living matter. With this, the modern form of cell theory was complete. So, what does the cell theory actually say? It can be summarized in three powerful principles. 1. The cell is the structural unit of all living organisms. Just like bricks form a building, cells form every plant, animal, and human body. 2. The cell is the functional unit of life. Every activity, breathing, growing, secreting, responding, happens inside cells. 3. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. This ensures life's continuity from generation to generation. Together, these three principles form the universal cell theory accepted in biology today. Now let's connect cell theory to our own lives. When you cut your skin, how does it heal? The surrounding cells divide to make new ones, proof of Virchow's principle. In a mango tree, leaf cells capture sunlight and perform photosynthesis, while root cells absorb water. Different roles, same unit, the cell. And think about this: every human being starts as a single fertilized egg cell. That one cell divides, multiplies, and differentiates into trillions of cells to make your entire body. From muscle contraction to nerve impulses, from circulating blood to healing wounds, everything is possible only because of the activities of cells. Cell theory is more than history. It's the foundation of modern medicine, biotechnology, and genetics. So let's recap. Schleiden showed us that plants are cellular. Schwanner proved the same for animals. Virchow completed the theory by showing that new cells come only from pre-existing cells. Thus, cell theory tells us three truths. 1. Cells are the unit of structure. 2. Cells are the unit of function. And 3. every cell comes from another cell. This elegant theory became the cornerstone of biology, leading to discoveries in cell biology, molecular biology, and medical science. So remember, the next time you look at yourself in the mirror, realize this: you are a walking, breathing, thinking collection of trillions of cells. Isn't that incredible? I hope this session has opened your eyes to the beauty of biology. In our next lesson, we'll explore how cells differ in size, shape, and number, revealing the diversity of life's building blocks. See you there.